Hazrat Ali considered ignorance as al-jahlu aslu kulli shar. Ignorance is the root of all evils. Al-aqlu yahdi wa yunji wal jahlu yughwi wa yuraddi. Wisdom guides and saves while ignorance leads astray. Zakatul aqli ihtimalul juhal. Zakat of the intellect is to bear the ignorance. Once Hazrat Ali faced the peasants during traveling at the place of Ambar. On seeing Hazrat Ali, the people started to run before him. On this occasion, Hazrat Ali said to them, Wallahi ma yantafa'u bihaza umara'ukum. Wallah, due to this action, you put to labor yourself, watashkauna bihi fi akhiratikum, and take misfortune in the hereafter. He said, if you criticize an ignorant, he'll become your enemy. He guided antaziyal mar'i ma vulliya wa takallufahu ma kufiya la ajzun hazirun warayun mutabbarun. It is destructive intention and weakness to ignore the task handed over a person and interrupt others' tasks for nothing. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to Hazrat Ali, La faqra ashaddu minal jahl. There is no poverty like ignorance. Wala mala auzu minal aql. And there is nothing fruitful like wisdom. It is narrated, don't describe every hard thing. Otherwise, this will be sufficient for your foolishness.